Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So MCP management service properties, the local computer so error. So how to fix? So firstly guys, click to start button and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Yes. So guys, I have a command, so I will give you a link description, so you copy paste. Okay, and just right click, edit, paste, copy, right click, otherwise type sfc space slash scan now and then enter. So actually there are three commands for Windows solves problems. Okay, so step by step all three type. Okay, and link in descriptions I will give you, and so you copy paste, otherwise you can type also. Second step guys, again click to start button, type cmd, right click, run as administrator, click to yes, type task, don't space, kill space I dash f dash im space device sensor dot exe. Okay, and enter. So actually this service is not exist in my PC, so you type actually this command. Okay, now third step is guys, click to start button, type Windows security, otherwise you on from here Windows Defender. Okay, full screen. Then click to virus and threat protections. Okay, this is actually all. Okay, so scan options, Microsoft Defender offline scan, and then click to scan now. Okay, and then restart your PC and then check.